So good morning, welcome to a new vlog after a very long time. I'm very excited because Sean and I are going on a small getaway after like a really long time. So I'm so looking forward to it. I actually just woke up before some time, so I'm quickly gonna brush my teeth, do my skincare and all of that and have my breakfast. We're gonna be leaving at like 9:30, 10ish, so we can reach there at 1 o'clock. Like our check-in time is 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm ready and I'm quickly gonna have my breakfast before I leave. Also this, I don't know if I mentioned, so a dog bit me a couple of days, I think 5 or 6 days back. I was at my friend's place and I was playing with this dog and he got very excited and overstimulated or what, I don't know. He just bit me, so it's healing right now. I've taken like 3 or 2 doses of injection so far, so it's doing better now. And so I'm not allowed to apply makeup, I guess. I don't know, I didn't ask the doctor, but Sean said it's better not to apply any makeup, so I'm just wearing a tint and a lip gloss. So yeah, I'm having chapati with like pickled chili, I guess. This is a proper, you know, Marwadi breakfast. This is like cold chapati actually. This is not freshly made chapati. This is a day before chapati and it actually tastes so much better than fresh hot chapati. Usually I would have with curd, but because I've turned vegan recently, I'm not having curd or anything. I'm just gonna have it with this. So we have finally left. We had planned to leave at 9:30 or max 10, but it's actually 12 right now and we've just left. I intended to reach there sooner and spend a lot of time with the animals, but it's okay. We're a little late and I think we'll reach at like 3:34ish. So yeah, I'm so excited. Come to Vaksana Farms. I'm so excited. There are so many chickens and ducks and cows and goats and this is heaven. This is heaven for me. I'm being chased by the chicken. Sorry. Hi. What happened to the chicken? I didn't do anything. I was just walking by. It started attacking me. Oh my god. Finish. Guys, this is our villa. It's so pretty. I'll just show you a bit from outside. This is like the sit out area and this is how you go inside. It is so pretty. I'm not even kidding. Look at this place. It's wow. That's the kitchen, dining and everything, and then you can also go upstairs and there's one bed over here. Look at how pretty this place is. Oh my god. I'm just gonna quickly have my lunch because after this we're gonna go visit the entire farm, see all the animals. So they've prepared in-house meals. So good. So damn good. I quickly freshened up and changed my outfit and now we're gonna go see the farm and see all the animals, feed them. I don't think I've ever been this excited ever. Like if you follow me on Instagram, you'd know how happy I'd be to be here. Like this is just like heaven for me. This is my dream. I'm just so happy. I wasn't even this excited when I went on an international trip. I'm that excited and happy to be here. Oh, look at the ducklings. Ayyo, hey, Puchukuti.
Every Friday, Senjila வந்துட்டு there's a Sunday that happens. We have boxes here. If the birds are outside, they're more active at night.
I always wondered what these plants are because I've seen it everywhere and nobody knows it apparently, and finally I found out that paper is made out of these plants or trees. Finally I can die peacefully. Look at how pretty all this is. Oh my god, it feels like the video is not even doing justice. In real life it feels like I'm in some movie. It's so beautiful. Oh, we're having our dinner. Look at this cute setup made. Good morning. It's 6:30 right now. Apparently they leave all the animals out at this time, so they told us if you happen to wake up early you can come see all the animals. We'll let them out. So we woke up early so we can go see them. I'm gonna see all the ducks and goslings and turkeys and everyone let out free. Look at the mother ducklings and the father. Apparently they roam together all the time. It will be the mother and then the ducklings and then the father. Oh my god, so cute. Like these turkeys. Wow, they're so pretty. They're all excited in the morning to be let out. Look at them! It's like they are all yelling at me to be let out. Like I'm not gonna be able to let you out.
That's a beautiful shot.
Hello, I just got ready. We are actually going to pluck banana. I mean, ladies' fingers. I don't know what it's called, but harvesting. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm wearing this beautiful dress that Cheeky sent me. It's so pretty. It is from this brand called Barsa, and it's by Cheeky. And she sent me this. So pretty. Can you see that? It's so pretty. So I'm so excited. I'm going there, and I'm also gonna shoot a little bit of content. So yay, let's go. Guys, I plucked 1 kg of lady's finger. They're so fresh, but they are quite pricky. Look at this. Hey! तू क्यों साथ लड़ाया खरा? तू पीछे चल कुछ. ऐ मार खायला, तू मार खायला. अजून कुट्टू. अयो लोग सायलेंट कुड़ी के. Finish the tonga. Finish. Hey! Fraud पके पंजे. Hi! लड़े हैं खरा?
Hi buddies, say hi. कुछ चोले पड़ा है.
Hey! Hello, we're having breakfast. We have this ragi semia, I guess, and then we have idli and sambar chutney. Guys, we're now going to the natural pond. We also have tires and all of that so we don't drown, because it's around I think 6 or 6.5 feet. So we're gonna play in the water. You see those tires? So it's so that people like me don't drown. We have to walk a little bit from here, and these are all rice paddy. This is all rice. These are all mango trees, I guess, mango or guava, and those are the paper ones. Guys, this is the pond. Look at how big it is. We are going to play in the pump set now. If you don't know what that is, it's like a big tube thing where the water comes out, you know, with a lot of force. The water will come from there. It will fill here and we'll be playing here. Guys, I found touch me not plants. How much I'm fascinated by them. Look at it. If you touch, they shrink. So that's why they are called touch me not. It's so sweet and fresh. We are about to leave now, but I actually do not want to leave. I had such a great time. Like, this is paradise for me, truly. Like, with all the animals and birds. I never thought birds were this fun. Like, they're so cute. Horse and cows and goats. Oh my god, I just want to live here if I could. And then water. Like, it's my favorite thing to be in the water, like swimming pool or just water. It's my favorite thing. It has everything that I ever want to live happily. I can't wait to come back here again. I just loved it, and the hospitality was amazing. Like, they took such good care of us. The food is so good. It's literally like you're having in some good hotel, you know, like it's so good. I love it. Oh, we're having our lunch before we leave. So happy to be having meals, because in Chennai I don't get to have meals often, because at home we don't make it often. When we like go out, because Sean is not very fond of meals, we happen to go to eat either pizza or Korean food, so I don't get to eat meals. So now I'm eating meals and I just love it.